Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech India's your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Telegram account without number. And using this trick you can get free unlimited Telegram accounts, and this trick is most probably going to work for us in the year 2024. Well, the date which I'm recording this video is 22nd of January 2024. So guys, now let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly turn to the video. Well, number one, there are two tricks actually for making a Telegram account without number. Well, if I should say, it's not actually a Telegram account without number, but it's going to be a Telegram account without your number. It's going to be a Telegram account made with a virtual number. It just means that you would be using a virtual number provided by one of the virtual number providing applications or few OTP receiving websites where they give you most probably a US or Canada number, and with which you will be able to make a Telegram account. So the first step is going to be you can just go search for free US number for OTP. Here you would get a lot of websites. You can just choose any one of those. I'm going to choose Texter. It's not that is the best application, but okay, it still has a lot of ads, but it's probably an okay application and okay website. You can just go try other websites. You just click on the country which you want to receive. You would be allotted a number, and here you would be requested to complete a captcha. After you complete it, you would get this verify successfully, and you just click on the receive SMS. Request limited. Okay, this website this website sucks. I'm gonna go to some other website. Let's try Quacker. Now I'm gonna choose a number, and I'm gonna get a list of the last 40 SMSs received for this number. Yeah, as you can see, there is actually an Instagram account, there is a TikTok ads account, there is a Cash App account. Okay, well, you can just copy this number and paste it in the Telegram application. And you can just try it out. Well, most probably I guess this number is not going to work. That's because a lot of people would have already used this number, so this number is most probably not going to work. If we just take 100 numbers, 10 of them may work, may not work, but most probably the maximum number of numbers which will work using this number is going to be, with this method is going to be 10. Now, the second technique which we are going to use has a higher rate of probability. Out of the 10 numbers, 5 numbers would be working and 5 would not. Now, before moving on to second trick, I have something very important to share to you guys. It is about the YouTube's membership update of 2024 in our channel. I think this our channel is getting monetized, and now you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So first of all, go click on the join button near the subscribe button. First of all, click on subscribe button, the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And then after subscribing to our channel, just go click on the join button in order to get a lot of perks. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go click, take a look at the perks which are being provided if you become a member of a community. There's going to be a lot of important perks such as one-on-one exclusive social media chats and exclusive member-only videos, which will help you to solve a lot of problems. Now, the second trick which I showed you guys is going to be using a virtual number application like TextPlus. There are a lot of other applications. TextPlus is one of those. The other applications are going to be TextNow, TextMe, TalkTone. But the reason why I'm using TextPlus is, I think because I have a virtual number here, I'm just using this application. It's not that you should use it. We could just go back here and we can just paste a number and let's just see what's happening. Okay, I got an SMS. Let's check it. See, I told you we have a 10 out of 5 probability, but I guess I got my OTP in the first try itself. But still, it's not confirmed that I'm going to receive this OTP. That's because, yes, I did not receive the OTP. Still, so I guess I'm not going to receive it. I may try again by clicking on the recent SMS after 2 minutes. But I guess it's still not going to work. But I still have a WhatsApp account over here. So this is one of the best ways to make social media accounts, not only Telegram but also WhatsApp. Well, I got a notification from the Tix Plus. Okay, I still don't get an SMS. So this number is not working. But still, as you can see, I proceeded and this number is not yet banned. So you can try other applications and other numbers. But I'll not be doing it in this video. It's because I only have a single number from the Tix Plus application for this video. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy and you were successful in your attempt, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And once again, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to the subscribe button. So it's me Surya Prakash signing off from Protech Genius. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.